that you own. Actually, we don't own anything. Parents, you don't even own your children. Eventually, they will leave your home. They will move on. No, we don't own anything. Apart from God, we have nothing. So after all of this, we say to God be the glory. Okay, kahapon meron nag-pray. Yun ang huling-huli niya, to God be the glory. Assignment to all of you, teachers, assignment sa estudyante nyo. Assignment, I want you to research the parable of the talents. Sino may alam ng parable of the talents? Sige na, di ko naman kayo papagsalitain dito eh. Sino lang may alam? Kayo, the parable, alam nila. The parable of the talents. Bakit ba tayo binigyan ng talents? What for? So, with that message, I'd like to congratulate all of you, especially your parents and your teachers. So, this is not the end. This is not the be-all and the end-all of everything that you have been working for. Pwede kayo ngayon first? Nakikinig ba kayo? Pwede kayo ngayon first, pero hindi kayo forever first. Pwede sa susunod, second or third or fourth lang kayo o merit. Pwede kayo ngayong merit, pero sa isang taon, pwede rin naman kayong top 1. Diba? Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Maraming factors. And you should have that sinasabi kong quality of humility. Kasi hindi naman kami perfecto na bawat maliit na kasi laki ng hibla ng buhok, makukompute namin. At saka hindi naman ganoon ang tao. Ang tao ay isang complete human being. Bawat parte ng katawan, kahit maliit, ay may halaga. So, pasensya na po kayo, to the best, ginawa namin po, to the best of our abilities, ang magagawa namin so that everybody will be properly recognized, acknowledged, and that everybody will be happy. Good morning.